Scientists who shaped our world. Part 3. Throughout history, visionary scientists have expanded the boundaries of human knowledge and transformed our understanding of the universe. From unlocking the mysteries of atoms and the cosmos to pioneering breakthroughs in medicine, energy, and technology, their discoveries have laid the foundation for modern science and everyday life. This collection honors some of the most influential minds whose curiosity, courage, and brilliance helped shape the world we live in today. Aristotle, 384 BCE to 322 BCE. An ancient Greek philosopher and polymath, Aristotle made foundational contributions to logic, biology, ethics, and physics. He studied under Plato and tutored Alexander the Great. His ideas shaped Western intellectual history for centuries. David Ronald the May Warren, 1925 to 2010. An Australian scientist, Warren invented the black box flight data recorder, revolutionizing air safety. His work became mandatory for commercial aircraft worldwide. He was inspired by a crash that claimed his father's life. Sir Godfrey Newbold Hounsfield, 1919 to 2004. A British electrical engineer, Hounsfield co-invented the CT scanner, transforming medical imaging. He shared the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1979. The Hounsfield unit, used in radiology, is named after him. Hippocrates, c. 460 to circa 370 BC. Known as the father of medicine, Hippocrates separated medicine from superstition and religion. He established a system of clinical observation and diagnosis. The Hippocratic Oath reflects his lasting influence on medical ethics. John Bardeen, 1908 to 1991. An American physicist and electrical engineer, Bardeen was a co-inventor of the transistor. He is the only person to have won the Nobel Prize in Physics twice. His work laid the groundwork for modern electronics and superconductivity. Johannes Gutenberg, c. 1398 to 1468. A German inventor, Gutenberg introduced the movable type printing press to Europe. His invention sparked the printing revolution and spread knowledge across the continent. The Gutenberg Bible was his most famous printed work. Howard Walter Florey, 1898 to 1968. An Australian pharmacologist, Florey played a key role in developing penicillin into a practical antibiotic. His work saved millions of lives during World War II. He shared the 1945 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Leonardo da Vinci, 1452 to 1519. A Renaissance genius, Leonardo was an artist, engineer, and scientist. His notebooks reveal advanced studies in anatomy, mechanics, and flight. He painted the iconic Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. Galileo Galilei, 1564 to 1642. An Italian astronomer and physicist, Galileo championed heliocentrism and improved the telescope. He discovered Jupiter's moons and laid foundations for modern physics. His advocacy for science clashed with the church. Niels Bohr, 1885 to 1962. A Danish physicist, Bohr developed a model of the atom with quantized electron orbits. He was a key figure in quantum mechanics and atomic research. Bohr also contributed to the Manhattan Project during World War II. Sir Isaac Newton, 1643 to 1727. An English mathematician and physicist, Newton formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation. He co-invented calculus and advanced optics through his study of light. His Principia Mathematica remains a landmark in science. Robert Hutchings Goddard, 1882 to 1945. An American engineer, Goddard is known as the father of modern rocketry. He launched the world's first liquid-fueled rocket in 1926. His pioneering work paved the way for space exploration. Alan Matthiesen Turing, 1912 to 1954. A British mathematician and codebreaker, Turing laid the foundations of computer science. He helped break the German Enigma code during World War II. The Turing test remains a benchmark for artificial intelligence. James Watt, 1736 to 1819. A Scottish inventor and mechanical engineer, Watt improved the steam engine, fueling the Industrial Revolution. His innovations made engines more efficient and practical. The unit of power, the watt, is named after him. Alessandro Volta, 1745 to 1827. An Italian physicist, Volta invented the electric battery, the voltaic pile. His work provided the first continuous source of electrical current. The unit of electric potential, the volt, honors his legacy. Guglielmo Marconi, 1874 to 1937. An Italian inventor and electrical engineer, Marconi developed long-distance radio transmission. He shared the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1909. His work laid the foundation for modern wireless communication. André-Marie Ampère, 1775 to 1836. A French physicist and mathematician, Ampère was a founder of electromagnetism. He formulated Ampere's law, describing the relationship between electricity and magnetism. The ampere, the unit of electric current, is named after him. Georg Simon Ohm, 1789 to 1854. A German physicist, Ohm discovered the fundamental relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. His work became known as Ohm's law. The ohm, the unit of electrical resistance, is named in his honor. Michael Faraday, 1791 to 1867. An English scientist, Faraday discovered electromagnetic induction and pioneered electric motor technology. He made key advances in electrochemistry and physics. Despite limited formal education, he transformed the understanding of electricity. Sigmund Freud, 1856 to 1939. An Austrian neurologist, Freud founded psychoanalysis, revolutionizing psychology and psychiatry. He explored the unconscious mind, dream interpretation, and defense mechanisms. His theories remain influential and controversial. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.